Hi, we're from Sheartak Tools, a Canadian-based company that provides woodworking and metalworking tools. In this video, we will explore the various types of cutter heads, their advantages, and their disadvantages. This video will focus on three main types of cutter heads: straight knife, spiral, and helical cutter heads. All three types can cut through wood, but each has their own benefits when woodworking. Before we explore each type of cutter head, let's first understand what a cutter head is. A cutter head is a long shaft with blades on its end, used for cutting and smoothing wood pieces. They're typically used on jointers and planers. The straight knife cutter head has long blades extending across the full length of the shaft. These cutter heads are the oldest on the market and have been the standard cutter used in most machines. As a result of only having one continuous blade contacting the piece of wood, the cutter generates lots of noise and can produce rough edges on the cut. This means that the blades are more prone to cracks and chips and require frequent sharpening or a change of blades for the best finish possible. The spiral and helical cutter heads are vastly different from the traditional straight head, where instead of having one long blade for cutting, there are numerous smaller inserts that cut along the exterior of the shaft. On a spiral cutter head, the carbide inserts are mounted at a slight angle to the workpiece, where each insert only cuts a small portion of wood. By reducing the amount of contact that the insert has with the piece, the woodworking process is far quieter and generates a smoother finish on the workpiece. Similarly, the helical cutter head also features many carbide inserts staggered perpendicular to the path of the workpiece. Just like the spiral cutter head, the smaller inserts reduce the noise during operation and create a smooth finish on workpieces. The carbide inserts found on both the spiral and helical cutter heads are quite similar, with the only difference being that the spiral inserts have a slightly rounded edge, whereas the helical inserts are square. While the price for the spiral or helical cutter head can be more expensive than a straight cutter head, the carbide inserts can be reused up to 4 times, as they can be rotated 90 degrees to cut on a new face. They are more durable and can handle knots, burls, and will decrease the chance of tear out. Another less prominent type of cutter head is the heavy-duty helical cutter head, which is a variation of a regular helical head. They feature deep grooves to assist in thicker cutting and ease the dust extraction process. So how do the cutter heads compare? There's a lot of ways to look at the different types, so we'll try our best to address the main points of interest. The straight knife cutter head is the least expensive option and creates a decent finish on wood. While its base price is lower than its spiral counterparts, the cost to replace blades can start to add up. The machining experience will be relatively loud when compared to a spiral or helical cutter head. The spiral cutter head has a higher price than a straight knife one, but creates a much smoother finish on workpieces and greatly reduces the noise during processes. The carbide inserts used have a much higher lifespan than straight blades and has an overall better performance. Finally, the helical cutter head is typically a little more expensive than a spiral cutter head, but creates a similar finish. The helical head is generally easier to clean because of its design. Overall, there isn't too much of a difference between the spiral and helical cutter heads in terms of performance. If you're able to make the switch from a straight knife cutter head to a spiral, it will strongly enhance the efficiency of the machine and polish the final product. Sheartak offers a variety of spiral cutter heads for woodworking machines. We design our cutter heads with more inserts than our competitors, increasing the performance of the cutting. If a spiral cutter head doesn't exist for a woodworking machine, we are always more than happy to design a new cutter that will fit the machine. You can learn more about our products at www.sheartak.com or contact us by email at sales@sheartak.com.